Hello and welcome to Learn to Drive the Easy Way. I'm approved driving instructor Michael Gambin, and I'm going to show you how to drive manual, automatic and cars fitted with disability controls in the easiest way possible. So sit back, relax and enjoy. And remember to hit the subscribe button underneath to see all of our videos. Okay, so what we're going to talk about now is pulling away and stopping. Now, there are two routines for this. The first routine is called POM, which stands for Prepare, Observe and Move. And the second routine is MSM, Mirrors, Signal, Maneuver. The POM routine is what we use when we're pulling away from the side of the road, but also on our manoeuvres. So it's an important routine to remember. The second routine, MSM, is what we use when we're parking predominantly. We can also use it for turns, although I tend to use a broken down version of that, which you'll see later. Now, before I show you the videos of actually how to do the pull away and stops, I'm going to put some slides up now. Now, each of the slides lasts for 4 seconds. So if you can just hit the pause button, take a screenshot and do that for all of these slides, it will help you have a structure to your routines. After those slides, I will then show you how to do the pull away and stop. I hope this part of the video has helped so far, and I look forward to seeing you on the second part of this clip. Okay, so what I'm going to show you now is how to pull away and stop in an automatic fitted with hand controls. Now, the lever on the right hand side is the traditional layout. You may have to have it on the left hand side, but the same principle will work. Now, you will use a steering ball, whether it's that or a Lodgson's, which is something that looks like that, which has your indicators and horn on that. Now, we're going to use the POM routine, as we were talking about before. So it's P for prepare. So to do that, we will first of all switch the engine on, whether that's with a key or with a button. We will then push the brake lever and then select our gear, so into drive. Once we've done that, we will then move on to our observe. So we're going to look around to see if there's anyone around. There isn't on this occasion, so I don't need to use an indicator. If I have a handbrake, I will release it at this point, and then I will ease off the brake pressure and the car will start to move. Now, I can apply a little bit of throttle by pulling that lever towards me and the car will move. To park, mirrors, signal, bring the car in. If there's no one around, we don't need to signal, so we didn't on that particular occasion. I will then apply a little bit of brake pressure to come to a complete stop. I will then reselect park, handbrake goes on if you have one. Then you can relax off the lever and cancel the signal. So I will do that again. So apply the brake pressure, into D for drive, looking around. No one there to benefit from a signal, but I will use one anyway, again, just to show you the timings. Then if I'm happy it's safe, I will then pull some throttle. And you can see I'm just checking my right shoulder again, just to make sure there is nothing behind. I will then cancel the signal, so using the thumb toggle. Mirror, mirror, left signal, easing off the gas pressure. So you can see I'm actually letting go of the pressure now. Bring the car over, a little bit of brake, just to make the car come to a nice gentle stop. Then into park, cancel the signal. Now, just to show you how much range you have of brake, you can see that that is full pressure, so it doesn't require much at all. So I hope you found this video of use, and I look forward to seeing you on the next video, which is talking about left turns out of a road, or what's called emerging.